Hello YouTube, welcome back to episode 3 of Random Reskins with Phlanka. And first of all, I want to thank you all for almost 200 views on my video so far. This is actually going to be a pretty good series, I think. I feel a lot of love from you guys. So let me just update you on this. Look, the slot machine now has 24.5 million possible combos because it gets a list of items, it randomizes one, it gets a list of characters, randomizes one, and it gets a list of backgrounds and characterizes them. So let's see what we're going to do today. Please be something really fun. NBC Jacket, a Rusty Venture. I don't know who the fuck this is, but we're going to do this guy here. Fair enough. On a rock texture. So, yeah, we can do this. All right, so let's find out where this is. Let's go to properties. Just NBC Jacket, right? So it should be in the clothing items. So let's get in there. DayZ P, DayZ characters is it, and then characters. What am I doing? Characters, tops, NBC Jacket. Go for the male one. So you can't see what I'm doing here again. You're not allowed to see what I'm doing here again. So there we go. We have now the M-Lod as if by magic. So we're gonna copy this path. Open up Blender again. And let's get a drink real quick because I should have drank before I started recording this thing. And this is better. I love Dr. Peppers. I say I love Dr. Peppers as I'm saying now. I don't love Dr. Pepper. I love water. But Dr. Pepper tastes a lot better than what I had yesterday. I can't remember what it was. What was it? Tango? Not even yesterday. It's the day before yesterday. So let's create a new general. File. Import. Let's get that P3D in here. Let us clean this up. I'll do the fine selection names again. It's going to be camera, male, female, ground. So as you can see, this jumper doesn't exactly look the best. So let's go back to shading. Add a base DayZ texture on there. Again, if you wonder where these textures are, they are on Phlanka.com. The tool that I'm using, which is a texture pack. So that's like a shameless plug. Go to data. It's got to be something to do with NBC, right? NBC. NBC Jacket M. Wait, am I blind? Just NBC Jacket and OHQ. Right, file, save as. Just so I can see roughly what we're working with here. Why am I changing the file thing? I just need to put this as PNG. PNG. Close this. Refresh this. Drag this into Blender there. That's non-color. So there you go. We've got the look of the jacket. This, what is the website suggesting? A rock texture. So if I click on this up here now, it should take me to Google to find a nice rock texture. So I'll go for something like this. Something very simple. Can I drag that? I just pulled whiskers out of my beard, it felt like, on my microphone. I don't know if you guys have ever done that or not, but you got too close to the mic and your beard gets stuck in the mesh bit. Just me? Okay. What am I doing? I just want to download this image, but I bet you when I go to here. Oh. Should I do pebbles or should I do rocks? Trying to find a good one. Let's go with rock texture, like I said. It's awful, but we'll do it. I'm just gonna show you how to do a really simple one. I'm just gonna literally do this. Put this straight in game. I'm not even gonna change the color of anything. I'm just gonna keep it. I'm gonna show you a simple design. I'm trying to blend up as well just to hide the sharp edges bits. So there's that, and then I've got to get that other character now. This is gonna be a really quick video actually. I might not even have to edit this one for you guys. Let's have a look at this guy. Who does he think he is? I need them as a PNG though, so Rusty Venture. PNG. Transparent. Fuck. I've really got to just go into Photoshop and get him out of there, and I just get his face like that. Let's go into Photoshop real quick, turn this into PNG. It's going to be a little bit longer than I thought because for some reason there's no transparent images of this guy. There is our image. I'm going to duplicate that actually. Should thicken up the edge. There we go. So file, export, quick as PNG, to my downloads, save, and then Blender. My brain just didn't want to work then. Okay, so now we've got that image. Let's paint it onto this. So Shift A, search for image texture. Boom, new. It's 2K again, times 2. Make it alpha 0, use image. And boom. New image I meant to say, not use. So I'm gonna paint him across the back and the front. So if I turn it around to the front, I'm gonna show you how to paint through the model. So it'll be exactly the same on the opposite side. So decals, switch to texture paint mode, load custom decal, downloads, this guy. Dude, what the fuck? This guy's head's so big. There we go. So now, if I paint on there, it won't go through to the other side. So I have to go to the tools and go to options and uncheck these two here. Make sure this image is selected and then just paint on. It's going to look all shiny and stuff, but we're not going to be messing with none of the bump or nothing like that. We're just a simple, really quick video for you guys today. Like so. Everything's painted on. I'll look around the back, you can see he's there as well. Let me turn off all this metallic shit. So I'm just paint a little bit of black on the side here. Do a X side view. Let's cover them gaps. Almost done. Let me turn off this thing now, just so I don't accidentally paint over the other side. So I'm gonna get this black part lined up, like so, and then here as well. Just so I get the same kind of black all the way around it. Definitely not amazing, but it's just a quick, simple design for you guys. And then I'll be honest with you, I have got so much stuff to do today. I've got to go into town in a moment as well. I've got chores galore. So there we go. We've got our jumper. Let's just bake out this now. Oh, wait. First of all, go to File. This is how you make sure your decal pictures stay, by the way. So go to External Data. You click Automatically Pack Resources. It will pack them every time you click Save. So File, Save As. And this is episode 3. Save. So now that's ready to rock and roll. So we go to our Baker animator tool. Not the Baker, we want the animator. This one, load the preset. Random Reskins, load preset. So we need to find out the class name for this now, which I'm pretty sure just NBC Jacket, but it's always best to make sure. We go back to the website. Where was it? So I get mine off DayZ Wiki. Oh, I don't want to see this guy again. There we go. NBC Jacket. So one of these ones off NBC Wiki works perfect. Did I copy all that all? Yeah, all that all. There we go. So working boots beige. This is the vehicles. New mod class name. Oh my god, what is it again? I keep forgetting what fucking called episode something RR or RR episode. Random Reskins episode. There we go. Episode _RR. Episode 3 RR. Item display name. Same as this. Description off of the website. Yeah. Rusty Venture on a rock texture. So it's already got all the clothing items in there. Let's rename this to Jacket. Jacket. Just so the image's name's Jacket, it's easier. So we just want the co. We don't want anything else. Don't need none of these advanced render settings because we're using the original texture off of the item. So this makes it a lot quicker for us. I'm gonna click generate now. Let me save one more time. Save, generate. And I'll go to the folder. I should just start seeing this generate here. And that's it. It's done. So there's the jacket co. There's the jacket. And there is the config. So let's pack this up. PBO project. Crunch. Come on. There we go. Need to start my server and start DayZ. I might have to log in on DayZ on Steam. Yeah. Logging in. Well, that does its thing. Server LAN. Let's join it and let's play this. And let's hopefully, I would say fingers crossed, but my fingers are too fat to cross my fingers. And I'm not, I can do like the little, can't even do the west side thing. I actually can't cross my fucking fingers without going. Even then, what is wrong with my fingers? Oh, I need to. I can't do it. I give up. I give up. Right, come on. 10 seconds. I hope you like this video. How long has this video been? 15 minutes. I might just upload this unedited so you can just see me being a fucking weirdo. Because I don't need to edit this. Like when I take like an hour because I'm too busy fucking around, then I like to edit it down, make it smaller for you. But this is just a straight up in the game skin, no normals, no HQs. Just a simple episode 3. Hey, why is that above? I don't get it. Right. At crosshair. So let's put it on. And there you have it. Oh, that wasn't exactly lined up. It's probably because I'm on the female character actually, but yeah, there you have it. The fuck is this shit? Oh, so weird. But yeah, there it is, guys. A really quick, simple whoever he is. I have no idea who he is, but if you enjoyed this video and you see how easy it actually is to just do a color image now, leave a like and subscribe as well. We're almost at 1.1k and I really appreciate it because we've also got 14 likes. Can we, Joe, when it gets to 100 likes, like this is like a combination of all my videos, this is a deal for you guys. When it gets to 100 likes, I want to make this reskin pack part of the marketplace so you can open it up and have a look. Maybe modify some of them. Maybe just, if you want, by the time I get 100 likes, I'll probably have about 10 skins in here. So there'll be 10 free skins to chuck on whatever startup server that you're making. I don't know. I don't know how to end this video. So no, I'd almost saluted you again. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and a subscription, and I will see you Monday for another episode.